I made some addition to my tags, and I wanted to take a video because it's all not shown. I have used Perfect Pearl, vellum paper. The mermaid is made of vellum, and there is glossy accent, and there is embossing powder and Perfect Pearl. Background is Distris Oxide, and those corals are also vellum. I have colored them from the background thick color clean brushes, and I have put some Stella, Wing of Stella shiny. Yes.